Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the RLUSD update. Launched yesterday. We actually got a fake breakout. As you can see, we broke out above 2.6, but immediately, and that was mostly, I think, also assisted by the markets. Immediately, we broke back down below that level here, so turned into a fake out, which is not amazing. I still do think that XRP has a chance here. To still get a real breakout. Personally, I stayed away completely from this. I actually did buy XLM, but I had to sell that with a slight loss as well, because XLM actually looks much worse than this. That actually got a very aggressive fake out. With XRP, I mean, what you can see right here, you can clearly see it's a fake out. But initially, the breakout was respected, all right, and that's interesting, because that leads me to believe that there was some real acceptance by market participants, all right. So there was a consensus between buyers and sellers that, you know, that this breakout should happen. And then I think, especially over the Asian session that we had today, there was extensive selling pressure, which you can also see from Bitcoin here, for example. I mean, this was the Asian session. We had the biggest drop, much more than yesterday during the US session. So that caused XRP to drop back down below that level. Whereas first, I mean, you can actually see it was defended a bit. So that's going to be interesting to see over the course of today, because technically XRP right now is back into that same range between 2.6 and 2.25 or 2.2. That's the support. Technically, we're back in there, but the markets, or Bitcoin as a whole, still looks bullish. And there is also, after we got that reclaim here, the 11th of December, you can see XRP has been making higher lows right here and higher highs. So even though structurally this might be more of a consolidation than an uptrend, I do definitely think that this could turn into an uptrend, and I think we need to be ready for it. Now, the Ripple stablecoin RLUSD launched yesterday. Unfortunately, I could not get a lot of data. I looked at some places, including their own website, and I believe if you take a look at CoinMarketCap here, it gives a volume of $500,000. I think CoinGecko gives a volume of $2 million. But it's like this is only on Bitso, right? So that's the only exchange that CoinMarketCap seems to be tracking. In short, we don't have enough data. It's waiting for that. I'm particularly interested in the market cap to actually see how often and how much RLUSD is actually being used, but we'll see. All right. For now, we cannot really make decisions based on that. And the biggest thing today is the FOMC. All right. We have the interest rate decision. We have the press conference afterwards. That's going to cause a lot of volatility and momentum. And I think that's also the main catalyst right now that could still push XRP above this level here at 2.6. Now, it's hard to say, especially ahead of such a big fundamental event, to predict whether it's going to happen or not. I mean, if we look at XRP right now, we just completed a fake out. Momentum has dropped down a lot. Volume is also down quite a bit since the volume highs yesterday. So at the moment, I would say I would not long or buy XRP in anticipation of the breakout. I think it's a possibility, and if we do actually break out above 2.6 today, I think that could be a nice opportunity. But it is crucial that you actually wait for the break, all right? Because on a volatile day like today, we can be very volatile. We can spike up there. It can be another fake out. So be careful a bit. And I would even go as far as saying that I would just assume that it's most likely now that we will drop back down into the range. All right. Then at least your expectations are managed. And then you can be pleasantly surprised if we actually do break above 2.6. But that is mostly, especially with the Bitcoin dominance that's going up, it's mostly dependent on what Bitcoin does. All right. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, like I said, assume we'll stay in the range and be ready for the breakout. That's kind of my summary on XRP right now. And in general, what you need to know. I'll be back with more updates regarding especially RLUSD if I actually find some more data on that. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.